gonna add a background. I just spent about 30 minutes trying to find the mistake I made, and I think I finally did, and it was a silly one. So let's add the background. So first we're gonna add a new object, and we're gonna click on tiled sprite. We're gonna change the object name to background, if I can spell it. Select an image, choose a file, find the background .png image. This should be in your assets folder, and your assets folder should be in your game folder. First we need to make a layer. So add a layer. Call it background. And next we're going to switch its position by going like that. Okay. Now we can close the panel. Pull the background in again. It's already here. Now switch the layer to background. Click custom size and change the size to 900 by 500. And now drag it so it is in your game. Okay, next we need to make sure that the spaceship, our player, stays on the screen. So let's do that. We're going to add a new behavior. So click the three dots next to the player and edit behaviors. Next we're going to add a behavior. Search for a new behavior, and in the search, if you just type in stay, it probably comes up. Now, like I said, we need to install it first. Okay, now we can go back to installed behaviors, and it's right, it should be in your list. Oops. So the bottom and the right are 70. And the left and the top are 10. Apply. Okay. This is a good time to save. So File Save or Command S. And why don't we test the game? So it looks like, I don't know, something at the bottom is misaligned. But our player does stay on the screen. Does it shoot? Yes, it does. Good. So a good way to move it is to make these 0 and 0, I think. Not sure why I have two players, but now we're going to add some action to
Right.